Walmart, Spark Driver, and DoorDash use different delivery models, so your weekly pay can change depending on the type of work you complete, your location, and how much demand is available. By the end, you'll know how Spark Driver and DoorDash compare for weekly earnings, what affects your pay on each platform, and what factors to check before choosing one. The biggest difference is the type of delivery. Spark Driver is focused on Walmart delivery orders, while DoorDash offers deliveries from restaurants, stores, and other businesses through its platform. Spark Driver earnings depend on the delivery offers available in your area and the orders you choose to complete. The app shows available opportunities, and your weekly results depend on how many offers you receive and how often you work. DoorDash earnings depend on the deliveries available through the DoorDash app. Your results can change based on your market, delivery demand, the times you work, and the orders you accept. The first comparison point is the work itself. Spark Driver usually involves picking up Walmart orders and completing customer deliveries. DoorDash often involves shorter delivery trips, but some orders may require waiting at restaurants or stores before pickup. The second comparison point is scheduling. Both platforms allow drivers to choose when they work, but the amount of available work depends on local demand. A driver in one city may see very different opportunities than someone using the same app in another area. The third comparison point is vehicle costs. Both Spark Driver and DoorDash drivers use their own vehicles, so expenses like fuel, maintenance, and vehicle wear affect your actual profit. The amount shown in the app is not the same as your take-home earnings after expenses. If you are deciding between Spark Driver and DoorDash, test both platforms in your area and track your results. Record your working hours, completed deliveries, earnings, and expenses to see which option gives you better results. The main points are simple. Spark Driver and DoorDash have different delivery systems. Weekly pay depends on available opportunities, and your actual profit depends on your market and expenses. Your next step is to compare the offers available in your area and track your earnings for a few weeks before committing to one platform. If this guide helped you understand Spark Driver versus DoorDash pay, like the video and subscribe for more delivery driver comparisons.